Hello friends, my name is Shivam Sharma. I am going to tell you something about Infosys Mysore and L&T. If you are planning to visit Mysore DC, you should definitely watch this video because I will try to provide all information like how is the DC, its environment, how to reach Mysore, how to book ECC, where can you stay in Mysore so that you can easily reach out to the DC. Let's start the video. Firstly, you have to book ECC for 1 week. For booking ECC, you have to go to Infime app, then search book accommodation. Then select date and proper region to visit DC. Then approve this by your manager and come here. Now we will talk about how to reach Mysore. If you are using flight, then you have to come to Bangalore. Even you can directly come to Mysore also, but there is very less flight available directly. So come to Bangalore and then you can take bus or train for Mysore. There is some direct trains also available. You can check on IRCTC website. After coming to Mysore, you can take taxi or bus for Infosys. Bus number 116 and 119 both come to DC directly. It will take you to Infosys gate number 2. After coming here, you have to show your virtual ID in your phone to the guard and he will address you that where you have to go for temporary ID card. After getting your ID card, they will call a gold card and it will take you to key counter. Collect your key and van will take you to your ECC. Remember, when you will get your digital ID card, then you have to do in and out at the same place where you get your key until you are in ECC. Enjoy your ECC for 7 days. They will provide all type of facility here. Only thing they don't provide is breakfast, lunch and dinner. You have to go to food court for these. Food is very delicious. You will like it. There is so many things to explore inside DC. Like the most beautiful building, GEC2. It is also known as KGF building. You will also receive your digital ID card here. There is a gym and there is a dressing room also. You can change here. There is swimming pool also, but it is in under maintenance these days. Football ground. You can also run in the football ground. There is a cricket ground, table tennis, carom, chess, badminton, 8-ball pool. You can also do bowling here, but it costs is 150 rupees for 20 balls. There is a tennis court, volleyball court and basketball court also. Means you will get nearly all type of sport here. There is a very beautiful theater also. Inside DC, you can buy daily usage things. You can get your haircut. Even Apollo clinic is also available here. If you are facing any issue regarding your bank, then it is also available here. You can go here and resolve your problem. There is so many things that I have not explored yet. So during these 7 days, you can explore all these places and you can borrow bicycle to visit all the DC. Bus service is also available here in the whole campus. After 7 days, if you want to extend your accommodation, then contact your manager and confirm your extended accommodation to the same place where you received your key. They will guide you how to extend your accommodation. Before leaving ECC, you should go outside to find some room are PGs. You have to give at least 3 to 4 days or more to get a good room or PG. So let's talk about room and PG. There is some places where you can get PG or rooms like Lakshmikant, Chinamma Circle, Sankranti, Abhishek Circle, Surya Bakery. There is so many rooms and PG available. PG rent usually start from 5,500, depends on PG conditions. If you want to stay in a room, then make sure that what is the rent, what is deposit, how much they will deduct when you leave this room from your deposit. For room, you can also connect with auto drivers. They will show you rooms. After confirming the room, they will charge some amount to you. Let's talk about transportation now. There's 2 buses available for all these places which I mentioned before. That is 116 and 119. This bus goes to Mysore City bus stand to L&T. L&T is the last stop of this bus. Actually, L&T and Infosys both are situated at the same place. So all these things like these information are also applicable for L&T person also. So these are the things you should know about Mysore, Infosys and L&T. If you want to visit some other places like Mysore Palace, Chamundeshwari Hill, Equilibrium, Mirror House and so many things, you should come here and explore this thing. There is some other places near Mysore you can also explore those places like Coorg, Ooty, Coimbatore, Bangalore and so many places which is near to the Mysore. So that is it for today. Please like and subscribe this video if you really like this. Thank you.